Alright everyone, today we are reviewing this awesome cart right here. So we can see I can put some stuff in here for a picnic if I want to. I have this little carrier right here, all in blue. Then here it's a real easy assembly. I just go ahead, tighten up my wheels, make sure they're good to go. Then here I can lock this down, or I can leave it up. I have all my items here, so I can just tilt this guy back and we're off. And the doggies are excited. I can stop here. Can adjust it. And we can see even I have extra room under here, so I could add more stuff. But this is pretty cool. And it's just as simple as that. Nice little cart to move stuff around. Easy to maneuver. I'll just tilt the guy right here. And very easy to assemble. You can literally assemble it, I would say, in 4 to 5 minutes. Just put on the wheels, put this on right here, the basket, and you're good to go.